20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk. Aiko Melendez.
Actually, with Tito Ninong, matagal na kaming okay.
Oh.
1 year. We just opted to keep it quiet lang, yung wala lang. Tapos we both realized na parang, hey, it's about time na makita na natin sa tao na okay tayo para wala na animosity kung nakikita kami sa labas na, uy, hindi kayo okay. Kasi there was a time, there's this event na meron na si Jelly for her business. It happened in San Juan. We were both there. And then, hindi pa kami kikita. First time namin ni Kenny magkita doon. And then, we were expecting na parang yung drama, yung iyakan. But when I saw her, I just said, hi. Parang walang nangyari dito niya. Hindi pinag-usapan kung anong ugat. But it was painful, ha? Kasi pag mahal mo ang tao, Tito Ninong, at hindi kayo naging okay eventually along the way, masakit yun para sa inyong pareho. Lalo na, 4 kami, di ba? We call our group the Power 4. Tapos yung parang na-left out ako when they did the movie Road Trip, di ba? Supposedly and originally, I was part of that movie. Pero watching it from sabi ko, ay, parang ako yung naiwan. And then, people were, nagka-create sila kung ano ba yung pinag-awayan namin. So para just to put an end to it, nagsalita na kami na okay na kami. Dati, I always plan my life ahead. And I always say na from this relationship, hindi ko na gagawin to, hindi ko na gagawin. But when you're there, you can't plan things eh. It just happens because you pray to God na ito, iiwasan natin to. Ayoko kasi compare your relationship ko with Jay to my past relationships kasi magkakaiba naman sila at magkakaiba rin ang sitwasyon namin at yung pagkakataon.
Mary o Aiko?
Aiko.
Real talk, trash talk.
Real talk.
Showbiz, politics.
Politics.
Sexy, maganda.
Maganda.
What makes you sexy?
My waistline.
1 to 10, ilan ba talagang ex mo sa showbiz? Ang gwapo mong ex.
Alam niyo ba, si Aga muna.
Pinakapasaway mong ex. Kung hindi ka gusto mo sasagutin. Ako ang kinakabahan.
Pinakapasaway na ex? Oh my God. Sige na nga si Jo Marie.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolate?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
All the time.
A strong woman is?
It's forged through challenges and through resilience. Honestly, tinignan ko na siya online, tapos pinagaya ko siya sa stylist ko. So, Victoria Beckham yung yung look ko today. Parang raining eh. It was supposed, parang starting to rain. So, medyo, paulan na siya. Super happy. I look forward to talking and being with Tito Ninong kasi there's always a learnings after the talk. And mas masaya yung syempre behind the cameras yung pag-uusap namin and yung pag-touch base namin. So masaya ako.